let me, okay. So yeah, hi, welcome to PCF, guys. Okay, welcome to PCF. So okay, in our previous videos we discussed about the joins. Okay, joins in a great details, like we have discussed about the inner join, left join, right outer join, full join, and self join. Okay, and cross join also we discussed. Okay, if you haven't watched that video, so I strongly recommend to watch that videos, guys. Okay, in this video, so we are going to cover this, like purpose of union and unional. Okay, and the difference between union and unional. Okay, so and also difference between joins and unions. Okay, so let me jump into the SQL Server. Suppose you have a two tables. Okay, you have a two tables. Okay, let me zoom it. Okay, there is no TBL US customers. Okay, TBL UK customers will take the UK customers. Okay, okay, suppose you have a data like this. Okay, if you want to combine these two table, okay, two select statement results into single. Okay, two select statement results into single selects. Okay, single. So then we will go with the union, guys. Okay, union or unional. Okay, union will not allow any duplicates. Okay, unional will allow the duplicates. Okay, let me see that in a practical, guys. Okay, let me see that in a practical. Okay, if I write a union all, okay, unional. Okay, you have to write unional between these two queries and then execute it. Okay, so it will combine the result sets, guys. Okay, it will combine the result sets from both the queries. Okay, so if you see here, okay, let me drag it here. Okay, so from these two queries, just it combined, that's it. It will not deleted any duplicates and all. Okay, if you write, okay, if I write a union, okay, if I write a union, so it will remove the duplicates. Okay, which one is the duplicate one? Okay, if you see 3CCC is a duplicate and 1AAA is a duplicate. Okay, so these two records are duplicates. Okay, these two records will be removed when you write a union. Okay, so you will get finally, so B, so see, if you see the second one, so the name are different, so that is the reason it's not a duplicate one. Okay, so you will get finally 4 records, right? So we'll see that. Okay, we'll execute. Okay, if you write a union, how many records will get? So okay, we'll get, so and also it's in a sorted order. See, 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 2 and 3. Okay, so it's in a sorted order. If you go with the union all, it will not be in a sorted order. See that. Okay, so just it, so union and unional, the purpose of union and unional is to combine the select statement results as case. Okay, you, so that may be, so you can have one more select statement also. Okay, so you can write, so any again you can write one more unional, and then you can write one more select statement, and like that you can have a number of select statements. It's finally it combines the result sets of all select statements into single. Okay, that is the union and unional. But union, so the differences, if you see the differences, okay, if you see the differences, unional will not remove the duplicates, but union will remove the duplicates. Okay, union differences. Okay, first differences is what is the first difference? So first difference is that, first difference is that, so union all will allow duplicates, but unional will not allow any duplicates. Okay, sorry, unional will allow the duplicates, union will not allow any duplicates. Okay, union will not allow any duplicates. Just let me write like this case. Okay, otherwise you will confuse. So this is about the unional. Okay. Union all. Okay, so if you go to the union, let me take a copy of this one and paste it here. It will not allow duplicate. So just now that proved, okay, that just now we proved that. And also unional will not do any sorted order. Okay, unional will not do any sorted order. It will not do any sorting. Okay, so but here union will do the sorting order case. Okay, union will do the sorting order. Okay, union will do sorting order. Okay, due to the sorting, okay, due to the sorting, okay, because of the sorting, so unional will be, okay, it's not doing any sorting, right? So it's not doing any sorting, right? So the performance will be fast. Okay, unional performance will be fast. Performance wise, unional will be fast performance case, okay, fast performance. But here, because of the sorting, okay, it has to, okay, it has to sort the data and then remove the duplicates, okay? So it's internally doing some processing, okay? So I will show you that case, okay? So slow performance because of the sorting, slow performance case, okay? I will show you, okay? So if you, okay, if you see the execution plan, guys, okay, so there is a estimated execution plan is there. So when I keep, okay, when I select this with the unional and then try to see the execution plan, there is no sorting, okay? So there is no sorting, okay? If you see this execution plan, so if you write a union, okay, so if you write a union, so you will see the sorting, okay? Just I will show you this, okay? Sorry, execution plan, right? So let me show this execution plan. Okay, distinct sorting it's doing, okay? So this extra step is there, okay? That is the reason, okay? So it has to bring the data into buffer and then it has to sort the data and then remove the duplicates, okay? So it wait for all records to come into the buffer and then it will do the sorting and then delete the duplicates, okay? That means, okay, the performance will be slow, but unional it's not doing any sorting, guys, okay? So that is the main difference, okay? And also, so when you select the columns, okay, guys, okay, so just now I'm selecting the, okay, so all column order, okay, all column orders and data type should be same, okay? Suppose if I select here id, okay, id, name, comma, email, okay, and if I execute, okay, suppose that may be union or union always, okay, both of them it's a very important, okay, both of them. So the column order is very important, okay? So suppose if I select here a name, okay, if I select name here and id, suppose email address, okay, if I select email address, so it will not insert, okay, it will not select the, it will not combine the, okay, what we are getting. So the conversion failed, okay? That means, so id is the integer data type and your name is a char data type. So okay, so that is the reason, okay? Suppose, okay, so what we'll do, we'll keep only, okay, so email address and name last, okay, both are naming conversion, okay, characters only, right? Name is a varchar and email address also varchar, okay? This time it will combine or not, and it will combine, okay, it will combine, but the results will not correct, okay? That means your data type and column order should be same, so from the both queries, then only, so the correct results will be combined in the output, okay? So then only the combined results, okay, if the okay, so that means, okay, you said first time, so that is a integer data type, so here is a name, so that is the reason it's a varchar, so that is the reason it's failed. But this time name and email address is a varchar, okay, this time it will not give any error, but your data is not valid. Why? Because, so this is a email address and this is a name, so that is the reason I'm clearly specifying that. So clearly specifying some conditions, okay? So what I can say, so some conditions to perform union or unional, okay, some conditions to perform, okay, to perform union and unional base, okay, union and unional, okay? So what is the condition? Conditions ఏంటంటే, what are the conditions అంటే, the first condition is column order should be same, column order should be same and data type also should be same, data type also should be same. That we proved just now, guys, right? Okay, so that would be proved. And second point is, okay, if you want to sort the data, okay, so let me, so now everything is same order, okay, so everything is same order, so even I keep the same order, okay? So you can, if you try to keep, okay, if you want to, okay, so you combine the data, okay, you combine the data, what happened? Let's start, let me take this one. Okay, from I miss you, sorry that. So from I miss you, sorry. Okay, so let me take these columns. Okay, with the same order. Okay, same order, and then okay, if I execute these, okay, so it will combine. But so there is no sorted order, right? So you are trying to sort, okay, first, okay, here, okay, so you cannot keep sort order by, okay, so you cannot keep order by some email address or some name or id, okay, suppose like this, okay, id, okay, you cannot keep that, okay. So at the end of that query, okay, if you write a union or union all, you cannot use in between that order id, sorry, order by clause. So at the end you can use the order by, okay, you not a problem. But at the end the query you can use order by id, so descending or ascending, anything is fine. Without anything also you can execute, okay. So if you don't specify anything, that will be in a ascending order. Okay, you understood the condition, right? So the second condition is, okay, to perform union or union all, so order by class should be, order by class should be at the end of the query, at the end of the query. Okay, so that we perform, yes. And also we have seen the performance. Okay, now the difference between, okay, now the difference between uh, so now the difference between joins and unions case. Okay, joins and unions. Okay, so joins and unions, okay, if you go to, so like our Power BI concept, like merge and append, how the concepts merge will combines the columns, right? So like joins will combines the columns from more than two tables also, not a problem. Okay, it will combine multiple tables columns into single table. Okay, joins. But up here union or union all will combine the rows actually. So rows, okay, it will combine the rows from multiple table queries, okay, multiple tables, multiple queries result sets into single result sets. Okay, so it will combine the rows. Okay, that is the only difference. Nowadays maybe you may get the interview questions. Okay, people are getting the interview questions. Okay, what is the difference between union and joins? Okay, the common concept is to combine the data, but joins will combine the columns and unions will combine the rows. Okay, that is the main difference case. Okay, this is about the union and unional. Okay, from tomorrow onwards we will discuss about the views guys. Okay, views and then functions and then stored procedures will go like that. Okay, so thank you so much for your time. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed guys. Okay, thank you.